Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to build the Rose from Spider-Man comics. So, first I'm just going to open up a new model. Then we're going to go to minifigures, lower parts, click the same torso, legs that I use all the time, go to upper parts, superheroes, Lego Batman, Bruce Wayne suit, heads, superheroes, Marvel. We're going to use the Stealth Spider-Man suit, head, then we're going to use a legacy color. This sand violet. And I'm going to turn off my legacy. Multiple. I'm just going to make it a medium stone gray. And that is how you make the Rose from Spider-Man comics. This build, again, very easy to do. You can do this in regular minifig form, except you would have to make it kind of like a custom headpiece because they don't make this kind of headpiece with that color unless you Sharpie it, but I wouldn't do that. So that's how you make the Rose, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.